Hello viewers. Today I am going to clean carbon from this Honda motorcycle engine's head without damaging the metal surface with an easy way. For which I am using paint remover spray that works great. It melts the stubborn carbon like a butter. I am applying first coat and waiting for 5 minutes. You can see the carbon is already coming off. Applying some more to make the process faster. Usually this carbon is removed by mechanics by sandpaper or buffing with wire brush. Which is not good as it will scratch the head face causing oil and pressure leak. Which will lead to loss of power and dirty engine. After 5 minutes, I am wiping it off. Now I am applying second coat and waiting for 5 minutes again. Head face needs to be perfectly smooth and lean with cylinder face. Now I am using a handheld very soft wire brush to remove the hardest carbon. This is the result. Please subscribe to our channel for more auto-related videos.